Introduction. Operation management is the field of management concerned with overseeing, designing, and controlling the production process, and designing business operation in producing goods or services. This course will help build student understanding of the strategic importance of operation, management and its role in developing market competitiveness. Also are responsible for ensuring that our business operations are efficient in terms of using the least necessary resources and effective in terms of meeting customer need. We choose a restaurant that serves Western as our product to sell, known as Wala Cafe. Our business has also provided operation management that include product and service design, quality management, process and capacity design, location strategy, layout strategy, managing inventory, scheduling, and maintenance. Wala Company Profile. Name of the company is Wala Cafe. The owner for this cafe is Muhammad Fayyad bin Chief Fauzal. Where Wala Cafe located is? It is at Kacung Karung Berkunci, 36 Bengkalan Cepa, 16100, Kota Baru, Kelantan. Nature of business, food and beverage. When the business is started, 21st August 2020. What type of this business is formed? Partnership. Main activity is providing customer with food and beverage in a comfortable and welcoming environment. To, to call this cafe, just call 011 333 222 and 5. To email at walacafe21@gmail.com. Instagram is wala_cafe. Facebook wala capital W and C. That's all. Wala Cafe Vision. The goal of Wala Cafe is to promote a sense of community and camaraderie in addition to providing delicious cuisine and drink. Because of their mutual love for coffee and discussion, strangers might become friends at this local point, which area as a catalyst for interaction. Wala Cafe Mission. Wala Cafe Company may have several goals, its main one being to combine community impact, customer happiness, and financial success. Our objective is to maintain an unwavering dedication to quality in all areas, from obtaining the best coffee beans and ingredients to guaranteeing superiority in service and presentation.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Najwa Khairunisa binti Nasri. Matrix number A2280492. I will continue for the next part, which is organizational structure. An organizational structure is a framework that specifies how particular tasks are carried out in order to meet the objective of the organization. Roles, responsibilities, and rules may be a part of these activities. We have 6 positions in our company, which are Chief Executive Officer, Financial Manager, Marketing Manager, Operational Manager, Cafe Assistant Manager, and the last one is Human Resource.
Hi, my name is Nurfara Shahira binti Samri and my metric number is A2280431. Today I would like to present about a product and service offered at Wala Cafe. The product offered at Wala Cafe are food and beverages. In Malaysia, the majority of the population consists of Muslim Malay. They need to eat halal or permitted meat. All our products are produced with the strictest adherence to the standards set by the authorities in all matters including halal sensitivity, hygiene and safety. All our dishes use only halal ingredient. The cuisine on our menu is mostly Western but also has a local and fusion cuisine option. As a Western and hipster cafe in Central Malacca, we serve delicious Western cuisine along with many classic local favorites. Wala Cafe menu is divided into several sections, which are main courses, side dishes, drinks, and dessert. In this slide, we got the best seller food and beverages in our cafe. For example, pesto pasta with chicken grill, a fish and chip with tartar sauce, mushroom soup with garlic bread, cheesy wedges, vanilla sundae with cherry on top, burnt cheesecake, iced americano, iced latte, and so on.
Managing quality. Managing quality involves overseeing all aspects of a product or service to ensure it meet or exceed customer expectation. The problem definition of managing quality. A is adapt to highly complex supply chain. B. Lack of fund. C. Keep abreast of trend in quality management system. Suggestion of problem of managing quality. A is to communicate directly with customer. B. Assure sufficient flow of funding. C. Law enforcement.
Hi, my name is Nur Fasia Nabila binti Jamaluddin and my metric number is A22A0831. Next, I want to talk about the process and capacity design. The process and capacity design section is creating an improving system that convert inputs into outputs. Process design involves understanding how work is done in an organization and then design and implementing ways to improve it. Next, forecasting is the basis for Wala Cafe, ever-changing capacity designed for human resources. Besides, there are several types of process strategies such as process focus, repetitive focus, product focus, and mass customization, but they all share some standard features. First, process focus. In process focus, managers for Wala Cafe need to organize facilities around specific activities and process to ensure low volume and a wide variety of product. A process focus strategy is usually useful when producing small quantities of various items. At Wala Cafe, his strategy is to produce small quantity but offer a variety of product. Next, repetitive focus. Repetitive focus refers to module that are parts of component in Wala Cafe that have been prepared before, often in a continuous product focus process. An interactive process is a classic assembly line. Next, product focus. Product focus is a business approach that helps define strategy, metric, and operation in terms of the product available at Wala Cafe. Wala Cafe managers need to use this strategy because it helps to improve products such as Western food and fruit juice drink, coffee, and others to stay relevant in the food industry. This strategy of focusing on Western food and beverage product ensure high volume production and low variety. Next, mass customization. Mass customization is a business approach that focuses primarily on the customer and recognizes the importance of preparing product while using new procedure. This strategy is a strategy often used by Wala Cafe because it results in low cost production that meets the charging needs of customers.
Location strategy. Location strategy is an important aspect of operation management that plays an important role in the success of a business. It involves the process of selecting and managing the physical location of a company operation and corporate office. In this regard, the location strategy of Wala Cafe is in Malacca, near the city centre and consumer population group. The reason why Wala Cafe chose Malacca as a location strategy is that the decision of the region or community in Malacca exceeds Selangor and Pahang in terms of regional attraction, leverability, proximity to raw material, customer, and lastly is the costs. As for the site decision, Wala Cafe has chosen Melaka Tengah in Melaka because of road and highway facility, proximity of service and supply needed. Environmental impact issue, customer density and demographic can facilitate us from various factors for a long period. There are a few factors that affect location decision in business. The first one is political risk, value, and culture. Political risk, value, and culture are factors in choosing a strategic area for a business to start its operation. In addition, state and local government respond to private property and worker stability are consistently changing according to environmental condition. While cafes superior will try their best to resolve related problem properly, while a cafe is located in the city area, which is a strategic location because the site is focused of the public, causing many customers to stop by our cafe to eat and hang out with friends. The second one is proximity to suppliers. While a cafe is located close to raw materials and suppliers because materials such as meat suppliers and suppliers of dairy product to produce food and beverages are type that need to be kept in good condition to avoid perishable material. Besides that, when the location is close to the supplier, it can helps to reduce transportation costs, and the company doesn't have to pay as much to transport raw materials and finished goods. The last one is proximity to market. For many businesses, finding customer nearby is important, especially for service businesses such as drugstore, cafe, post office, and barbershop. Demographic factor and proximity to market are critical factor in choosing a business location. People like to enjoy a cup of coffee and a plate of pasta at a promotional price because they can save on expenses. When the cafe is the focus of public, promotional activities will be successful because it is the focus of the customer.
So we go to the layout strategy. Layout strategy is important to design our business location. In the layout strategy, we should have consider the flow of customers, create a different zones, use furniture to create a sense of space, add pops of colors, and don't forget the details. Details mean the differentiation of the little of the differentiation that makes your cafe look unique. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nurfakira binti Asri. My number matrix is A22A0240. This is my part about inventory management. In managing inventory, we have our own objective, which is to strike a balance between inventory investment and customer service in Wala Cafe business to achieve the business goal with more profits. This inventory management is for us to provide a wide selection of food and beverage to anticipate before inventory problems fluctuate in customer demand to isolate various parts of the food and beverage production process at Wala Cafe, obtain quantity discount, and down protect from inflation problem to the business we run. Here we have three parts. First, raw materials. Second, work in process, WIP. And the last is finishing goods. The first part is about the raw materials. Every raw material that we obtain, we buy raw materials with supplies from the local and also from the outside the country. Processing local raw materials is faster than overseas, but the highest quality raw materials we use are from the overseas raw materials. While a cafe is high quality raw materials at operation price with suppliers. This is our materials. This part we have two parts, which is work in process WIP and also the finished good. Work in process. In Wala Cafe, allow us to be prepared if there is a shortage of the supplies by simple continue to remove them from the kitchen. Indeed, even the drain section is the same as the main dishes. Therefore, whenever the side dishes section is reduced, we will make a monitoring to see our inventories simply by following the regular schedule and see by using manual methods such as checking one by one the items. And also, we produce our food in a day or two if there is a shortage, and if there is food spoiled, we will sell it at the cheapest price or share it freely with our customer or workers. Next, in finished goods, we mostly include finished good inventory in the final inventory value for all our group received products, including the beverage section of Wala Cafe. An example that we can point to is this cooked pasta dish, which is normally sold for a few days at a full menu price. In the meat section too, we would face a tricky issue, and if there is a cooked item, we will not sell in the main way, such as leftovers used in means. Therefore, we must consider by including only one person value or by completely removing this item from the inventory. This is to keep it finished good from spoiling, and the need to keep the inventory maintained to be consistent and the quality of the goods to be steady and systematic on every part of the inventory at the Wala Cafe. The last is from the management inventory is about the ABC analysis. Here we have a three type of class. We have the class A, class B, and also the class C. This is our table from the raw materials in Wala Cafe.
And regulating the use of resources to finish a production process is known as scheduling in operation management. This section will explain the schedule of our company. The first one is first come, first serve. Vala Cafe choose the first come first serve method, where orders are processed based on the order in which customers arrive. Vala Cafe choose queuing system as our customer are served according to arrival orders at the counter. This queuing system at the cafe ensures a fair and organized process. And the next one is forward scheduling. Wala Cafe is open from 8 a.m. until 10 p.m. every day. Orders will be taken only until 6:30 p.m. This is to allow the staff or our employees to efficiently handle any outstanding requests before devoting their attention to closing process.
So you meet me again. We go to the maintenance. So our preventive maintenance, the activity of monitoring equipment and services to ensure equipment. Preventive maintenance involve regular inspection before they develop into major problems. The main goal in preventive maintenance is for the machine to make it from one scheduled service to the next without any major failure. So we go to breakdown maintenance. Breakdown maintenance is an emergency or priority repair of equipment that has failed and cannot be used. An example of planned breakdown maintenance is run failure maintenance. A run to failure maintenance strategy occurs if technicians spend most of their day performing breakdown maintenance. So we go to predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance tracks the normal operation of an appliance or matching or detect potential defects before they cause a problem. This type of maintenance uses condition monitoring technology to prefer a good performance. Thank you.